Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video our agenda is how to add sound effect in video. Guys, maybe you do not hear the voice of sound because of mic, but I teach you how you can add sound effect. So that's it. And if you do not follow our video editing series, then must watch the videos and then come to this. So I am opening CapCut PC, and here I want to like black background video. So now I want Facebook photo. YouTube. Instagram. And one more like WhatsApp. So that's it. It is downloading. So that's it. So these are the four like social media icons, and I've now when the icons start showing on the screen, then it appear in screen with an effect. So first of all we have to small the icons. So the best effect is whoosh effect. It's your choice which effect you want to choose. So I'm in sound effect, and here I search for whoosh. Yeah, so I like this one. I copy this effect and I paste it here, here and here. So when I play this, icon will appear with effect, and this way and this way. So maybe you do not hear the voice of effect because of my mic. I think it's problem in my mic, but I give you idea how to add effect in with your icons or in your videos. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the videos, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.